3, 2, 1, action! Hi everyone! See, 1, 2, ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone! Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Louder. Hi everyone. By the way, wait. We're hungry, so we're thinking to have a food to eat. So, what are you thinking, Prince? Thinking too long. For me, I really wanted to have any kind of food on the table, kinda we call a little Filipino mukbang. So, yep. So, what do you think? It's good? So, do you want me to cook now? Awesome. So, what do you want? What you're thinking? We just make surprise them, right? I'm so sorry, Prince. That hurts. Be careful. Okay, so see you guys. We don't have things to do. We just feel hungry, right? And we miss food in the Philippines, so woo! I'm excited. See you later. Raba. I forgot the sauce.
Get all the sauce.
I have this one. And I have sukang pinakurat.
And we have kojichi. That's how you say it. Kojichi. Yeah.
Kimchi manju best.
Oichiwa.
Okay, it's time to eat. Hi. We have adobo, pork adobo. Yummers. We have sukang pinakurat with soy sauce. Sorry. Messy. And there's a shrimp sauce with shrimp, and we put some of the shrimps here. And as you can see, I'm gonna show you on the pictures or in the video. much hungry, so let's eat. I'm gonna squeeze the chili.
You have a big food, you always put up.
Oh my god, adobo, adobo! Small rice. We have tanghon.
Tanghon?
Tanghon. Shrimp. Okra. Whoa!
Why there's like
Try okra.
no?
Try it. Ah. Good, right?
Yeah. That's good. Gotta have some okra.
Oh my god, look at this sauce. It's so spicy. Yeah, I told you.
Is it healthy?
Uh-huh.
It tastes like broccoli.
Isn't it? Whew, I just now started, but my lips.
Oh
my god, I craving this since yesterday. Since before. We forgot a Coke, so we have only water. Look how I sit down my knees. My knee, I mean my knee. Watch my way. Watch my nanny.
Huh? Okay.
Oh my god, adobo, guys.
I like this one. And this one, and this one, and this one. And this one.
No. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then put it in here and perfect.
Do you know who made this plan?
We have kimchi.
Wait, what's a kimchi again? Oh. It's really quiet.
Oh my god, this is a what do you call this? This is really good fish.
Wait, I haven't tried it.
I forgot the name, but this is really good.
Wait, was it from Asian store?
My favorite is what
Wait, do you got the parrotfish?
Yeah, it's the other one. I don't know. I forgot the name. I will put down. What's the name of this?
From the Asian store from Salt Lake. Yeah?
We go to Orem.
I know.
I like spicy.
Same. Wait.
Why? Why? Hi guys! Oh my god, her too full. I thought we're done. He said he's full.
No, one more bite.
Okay. So we're done eating.
Go done eating. I know.
Rock and roll, baby. So
This is how much we eat, Mommy. We ate everything.
So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I have bruise because I'm doing this all the time.
Yeah, but
Bye everyone. Don't forget to
subscribe, give us a like, give us a huge thumbs up.
yes. So yeah, just support us on our
And also
channel.
notable
On my channel.
Description.
Yeah, what is my channel?
Ocean Vlog.
Ocean G Vlog.
Yeah, Ocean G Vlog.
Again.